I think we started the integration 6th D or 6E you are working, I think so. The 6E, the concept completely in the partial fraction. So for the partial fractions, there are different models are there. I told you the many previous classes. The first case and second case and the third case. I told you to the first and second cases which are very important for doing the our problems. So yesterday class we were working with only model one only. What is the model one? If the fraction is numerator by denominator, every case we saw only the denominator is more than the numerator. This is the case we are working about the partial fractions. How we are opening, just basics only. There also they are not given much very complexity. Just we have a basic models only, a by x plus a plus b by x plus b, like that only. Or some cases a x plus b by something you got, just only x square. They're not squaring that much also. There's sample models, it's enough to do these cases. But here for a partial fraction pure chapter, there we have number of models. You need to look into that. And then yesterday, I think we started the first bit completely completed, and the second bit also we completed. Okay. If still you're not clear about this two, please go and watch and come back to here. Today we are trying to see now the third bit. Okay. Then the third bit, we may look into the model number two only. The model one I told you, the fraction is like a numerator by denominator. In the cases, denominator is more than the numerator. This is a case which are already done. The first case. Now this method 2 is important. The method 2 is numerator by denominator. The fraction is what is the method 2?
Denominator is equal to numerator.
So numerator is equal to denominator, or denominator is equal to numerator, whatever it is. This is the case we are going to look into the matter right now. Okay. So the case is very simple here. Example problem, I will try to take it as x square plus 2x by x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. If the question is like this, we need to that you don't go for a by x plus 1, b by x plus 2, because it is a model number 1 or 2. You need to identify. If the power will come, it is 2, the highest power, it is there. Here power 1 more, it is 1 more, it is there. 1 into 1, your power you are going to get numerator also. The power is 2. So degree is 2. You can say technical way, you can say degree is 2. The both degrees are same, it comes under model number 2. So after that, you has to go for a by that is common. Here also model number 2, x plus 1 plus b by 2x plus 1. But something we need to add the constant value for this to move forward in the method 2. This is a special thing in the method 2.
Coefficient of numerator by coefficient of denominator.
Yeah. What is the coefficient of denominator? Numerator of the highest power is 1. If nothing is there, don't say it is 0. It is 1. It is there. What's the coefficient of denominator? What is the coefficient of here? 1. What is the coefficient
1.
of here? 2. If it is both functions, we can multiply 1 into 2, 2. 2. You're going to get 2. Or else you need to understand x into 2x, it's you are going to get expectation of 2x square. We feel it is the 2 will come in the coefficient of the denominator. That is how we can do it. If you are uncomfortable to multiply many numbers, sometime you can multiply their coefficient. It's very easy. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into some other one. You can multiply. Not only for a total, just you multiply the terms, you can get it out the what the constant value there for a particular variable. So these two questions. This is the way you can do it out. So if the question in other way, like example, x plus 1, sometimes the people write like this also. 3x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 and x plus x square, sorry, x plus 1 and 3x plus 1 like this. It is 3x square like this. So this is the model. You can look into that. What is the power of here? 1. What is the power of here? 2. What's the total degree of here? Numerator is 3. What's the denominator? 1, 2, 3. Both are same. It comes under method 2. So what is the value of the constant? We can say, how can you say that? Please multiply the coefficient of this one. X power 1 coefficient is how much? 1. Here it is 3. 1 plus 1 into 3. Answer is 3. Here it is 2. Here it is 1. Here it is 2. 2 3 are 6. Okay. 3 by 6. Nothing but it's a 1 by 2. Quotient is 1 by 2. You can write and move forward to such a kind of the model 2 questions. Mostly the complete is only for model 2 only. So we need to look into the matter. Okay. This is what your basics is required. Even if it is not watching the video, the methodology it is we are going to follow. But opening the things finding, I can't help here right now because this is not a time to discuss all. Right now, look into directly bit, third bit. This basic is enough for that. So whatever the question is mentioned, you need to find out the method first. Okay. Now take the first question, third bit. Integration 1 by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c into dx. Are you clear? Yeah. Now we'll take first method. Step 1 is what? Find the method. What is the method? It should be look like the question is what? Which method, Anna?
Method
Method 1 or method 2 or method 3?
Method 2.
Method 2. How can you say it is method 2?
It's into method 1, sir.
Why you are telling it is method 2? So question is second, third bit. I told you method 2 means it's not method. We need to identify the method. But previous cases, you are their question x cube is there. Here no x cube, just it is there. We need to understand 1,
Only
2, 3. It's method 1 only. So question you need to open it is 1 by x minus a plus 1 by x minus b plus 1 by x minus c. You should take it out and start working over there. A by b by and c by. So let us take it is out like this. If you take it as constant and equal to a into x minus b and x minus c, then b is equal to x minus a into x minus c plus c into x minus a into x minus b. This is the case, okay? Then if you take it is for finding the value, the logic is very simple. X is equal to a you take. Once x is equal to a you take, we'll get all or this a term is gone. You'll go to get a value. What's the value of a? 1 by a minus b into a minus c. Okay. Then if it is take x is equal to b you take, you're going to get b value because this is gone, this is gone. So this is what the value of b, 1 by b minus a into b minus c. If we take it as x is equal to c, this is gone, this is gone. You're going to get a value of c, 1 by c minus a into c minus b. How you got it right now? ABC values, how you got? Just you analyzing of substituting a value of all these things. Now let us look carry forward this ABC values. These are all just you need to substitute in the given question. This particular location. Now let us try to go to the next page. I'll directly apply the question to the answer. I'll continue that. Here the thing is what? What is the you have a by x plus a, b by x plus b, and c by x plus c into dx. So I don't know the waste of time. Directly I'll applying. What is the value of a? What is the value of a?
1 by a minus b into
1 by
a minus c.
a minus b into a minus c.
A minus c.
Am I correct? So this is a constant value. I will take directly out and I'll write directly x plus a into dx. Plus the b you again expect b minus a into b minus c into 1 by x plus b into dx. Go to the c 1 by
1 by c minus a into c minus b.
Sorry, c minus a into c minus b. Integration 1 by x plus c into dx. Still clear? Any doubt? Okay, it's enough for that. Okay, now you can take the value, you can start working over there. This is a constant, nothing, no need to do it. You can directly a minus b into a minus c. This is the constant. So try to understand here 1 by x plus a is there. How you have to do for your integration in your regular question in your case. 1 by x plus a into dx. So this is like LKC thing, what we did in the previous classes. 1 by x plus a. How to do it? Tell me. Just you take it a t. So dx is equal to a is a constant. Dx plus 0 is equal to dt. Dx here you can take it out. X plus a is equal to t. Dx is equal to dt. Dt by t it's log t. Okay. So right, I'm writing log of x plus a. Clear? Huh? Plus 1 by the b minus a into b minus c. Here also same, x plus b is equal to t, or dx is equal to dt by t log t. So directly I'm writing log of x plus, because already it's many times we did of. So don't want to write entire the thing right now. In examination we have to write very clearly, because those are things, assumptions will place major role in the answer calculation. Then log of x plus c plus c. The entire answer you can make it plus c for integration. It's clear, right? If you are trying to take any one common, because there is nothing, no one is allowing here. So because all constants are different, you are unable to take its common. Leave the answer for here only. Clear? This is what we need to follow the method, how we need to approach. First to think about the method, and the finalize what methodology follow, then start opening, finding ABC. Right. Previously, your regular textbook, this is a question I think so. X cube by there comes under method 3. Now here they didn't mention, nothing we are go for that. We can go for according to method. Let us try to take a second question now. What is the second question? It is here. Integration to x plus 3 by x plus 3 into x square plus 4. Clear? Dx. What is the method we need to follow for this? What is the method?
First method.
This is 1 plus 2, it is 3, so it comes from first method 1 only. Next, sometimes we are trying to take it as common. If you come, it is x square plus 4, it is. If it is x square minus 4, we can say x plus 2 into x minus 2, then you can split the terms and move forward. But there is no alternative. This is look like ax square plus bx plus c. Try to understand. So when you're common, you must be take care. So open it is simple. A by x plus 3. And what is the next term? Bx plus c by x square plus 4. Okay, na?
C.
Bx plus c by x square plus 4. Because it's second order quadratic equation. Now let us take a solution. Our aim intention to find out the ABC values. So 2x plus 3 is equal to a into x square plus 4. Then bx plus c into x plus 3. Okay. So this is the way we need to continue that. If you wanted one value, you'll get it out. One value by analysis. If you take it as x is equal to minus 3, this is cancelled. You are going to get the value of a directly. A is equal to minus 3. So this is gone. So 2 times of minus 3 plus 3 is equal to, you have to find out is a times of minus 3 whole square plus 4. So minus 6 plus 3, it is minus 3 is equal to a is equal to 9 plus 3 square 9 plus 4, it is 13. A is equal to minus 3 by 13, I think so. A is equal to minus 3 by 13. Am I clear or not? Anything else wrong? X is equal to minus 3. So 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 3, minus 3 will come. This is what 2x plus 3, right? I took common, it is like this, right? Sorry for interruption. Okay, 2x plus 3, I should take this. Okay, 2 into 2x plus 3, right? Is equal to ax square, right? Am I correct? Right? Ax square minus 3 whole square. 9 plus 4, it is 13. A is equal to minus 3 by 13. Am I correct? Something I was missed off. Hello, are you here, Nana? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Anything else wrong? It's correct only. Nothing enough. One value 16 by 13 by 34, 16 by 25 is there, and another is to 34 by 25, 11 by 5 they got it is. Something we have missed out. Value C 11 by 5 somewhere they got. Sorry, something else it is missing. Here by 3 by 13 minus C 3 by 13, correct only. So then after that you need to compare the constant coefficients. Left and right you compare coefficient, you need to find out the value of B and value of C. Okay, am I clear it? Right, I'll try to write
Yes.
the values constants. The value of A is equal to minus 3 by 13. So value of B I'm trying to write for the sake of your convenient. It is 3 by 13. The value of C, it is 17 by 13. The three values you can take for your future reference to when you're doing the calculation. Your answers are correct or not. So automatically the question it will reflect like this. The 2x plus 3y integration x plus 3 into x square plus 4 into dx. This is a by right, minus 3 by 13 into integration of 1 by x plus 3 plus b right, integration 3x plus 17 by 13 right, automatically write 13 out. This is x square plus 4 to dx. Not to make it a question, it will look like it's simpler. Minus 3 by 13 into 1 by x plus 3 into dx plus 3 by 13 into integration x by x square plus 4 plus 17 by 13 integration 1 by x square plus 2 square into dx. Still any doubt?
No.
That's very simple. There is no need to do any entire things. It's very simple question now. X minus 2 x square plus, okay, still it's clear, no doubt at all. So now questions, it's look like it's very simple. So next, how we need to proceed, Nana?
T.
Minus,
Take,
minus 3 by 13. What is the value of this? How can you do simplify this question?
x plus 3 is equals to T.
Yeah, x plus 3 is equal to T. X plus 3 is equal to T. Log T, dt by T is a log T. I need directly log of x plus 3. Okay. Plus, if you take this is a T, what you are going to get dt? 2x dt will come. Kanna,
yes.
So I'll take it for the granted x square plus 4 is equal to T. So if you do 2x dx is equal to dt, but here only x dx is available. If it is not, you can write 2 into 2. Clear? Into 2
Yes.
divide 2. Now it's available now right now. So dt by t log t. So 3 by 13 to just 16 log of x square plus 4. If it is not like that, if you take x dx is equal to, it comes on dt by 2. Same thing, dt by 2 means 13 by 2 will come. There also will get 13 by 26. Same thing. Next, 17 by 13 integration 1 by x square plus 2 square. What is the answer of that x square plus 2 square? What is the methodology you need to follow? I'll delete the integration now. We are going to do it. What's integration? A square plus x square? 1 by a tan inverse x by a.
Yes.
Am I clear? 1 by a means 1 by what is it here? 1 by a. So 1 by a means what is the value it is possessing now? 2. So 1 by 2 log of 1 by, sorry, tan inverse, right? Tan inverse x by a.
Tan inverse x by a plus
So x by 2 plus c. Still clear? Any doubt? So this is the way you need to forward. Clear. The question number 2 also finished. Now question number 3 now. The question number 3 what? Integration 2x square plus x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 2 whole square into dx. What is the method it is following? 2, 1
second
and 2.
Method. Second method.
This is not second method. Still it is first method only. The power 2, 1 into 2, it is numerator power 2, denominator power 3, it becomes numerator degree by denominator degree, it comes under method 1 only still. Okay. Then you should open it is a by x plus 3, b by x minus 2, c by x minus 2 whole square. If it is open directly, x square plus x plus 1 into a into x minus 2 whole square, b into x plus 3 into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 3 only. Clear?
Yes.
If you're trying to apply, I'll try to see the logic. A is equal to 2, you apply, you'll get one answer. Then a is equal to minus 3, apply, you'll get one more answer. After that, you compare, equate, you'll get other answers. Okay. I'll try to write the answers. The value of a is equal to what I should do. What you are going to equating, a is equal to 2, you are applying. The value of a is equal to 11 by 5. The x is equal to, right? X is equal to 2, you substitute. X is equal to 2, you substitute, you are going to get x is equal to 3, you substitute. X equal to 3, x equal to minus 3, you substitute. You are going to get the value of b is equal to 16 by 25. You compare the coefficients, you are going to get the value of c is equal to 34 by 25. Value of a I got, value of b I got. So like that, you are going to get all values. I don't want to say exact answers because you are going to get the constant values, these three. I think so. The value of a I'm expecting is 16 by 25. This is value of a. I got exact right now. Sixth. The value of b is 34 by 25. The value of c is 11 by 15. This is correct now. These answers you can copy. You can easily understand. Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm trying to write direct answers to the question. Move forward. A I substitute, it is 16 by 25. I take it constant out. So dx by x plus 3. The value of b is 34 by 25 and dx by x minus 2. The value of c is 11 by 25. So 11 by 5 only, right? 1 by dx by x minus 2 whole square into dx. Okay, this is clear. Now find out the solution case. How to make it solution? 16 by 25 x plus c is equal to dt by t log t, because we don't want extension for every question. 34 by 25, this x minus 2 is equal to t, d by t it's log t. It's clear. So 11 by 5. This if you take it is t, so dt by t square will come. Dt by t square will come. Dt will come. So t power minus 2 take dt. So this is already told you minus 1 t inverse. So it's minus 1 by t. It's nothing but minus 1 by t will come. So minus 1 by x minus 2. Clear? Plus yes. Because integration 1 by t square dt is equal to minus 1 by t plus c. That is what I got answer. I was substituted here. There is no logarithm, directly will come it out. Yes. Clear? Anything else? Clear. So this is the answer for this. So here, sorry for interruption. This is t means you can write that x minus 2. It's clear. This is answer finished. So that is now next question number 4. This is little important. The previous question is came. So dx by x cube plus 1. X cube plus 1. So little tricky here. If you want to take x cube plus 1, we cannot open also. We cannot take it t also, because x plus 3 is equal to t means there 3x square will come, but numerator that is not available. So how you should be move for means a x cube I can write is 1 cube also. That is what the formula for a cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula for like that. I should try to open the question. Just I simplified it is x plus 1 into x square 1 like this. Clear?
Yes.
Now this is the question. It look like now partial fractions because this is ax square plus bx plus c. If you open it as a by x plus 1, next case bx plus c by x square minus x plus 1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's now simple. Now you can continue your method as usual. Nothing is there, it is 1 in the numerator. So a into x square minus x plus 1, then bx plus c into x plus 1. This is what denominator after cancellation. This all going to cancel after taking it out. Then you take it here, I'll guess the answer x is equal to minus 1. You'll get one answer. Other after that you can compare the coefficients. You're going to get other two values. That will give the guarantee because I don't know the entire thing. Just I'll give the answers now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'll try to say what are the answers you are expecting after you are taking it out. A value, if you do very clearly, you'll get 1 by 3. Then value of B are going to say 1 by 2. The value of C it is 3 by 2. This is what you are going to expect the answers. So I'll try to substitute answers in the directly question. The question is look like now 1 by 3 integration dx by x plus 1 because I'll take common out. Now B is what? 1 by 2, 2x plus
1
3
by
plus 3 by 2 because bx plus c. It is not like it is so. Bx plus c, right? The value 2 by 3, right? Okay. Oh, sorry for interruption. We'll go back. The value of A is 1 by 3. The value of B here, when I did off, it's correctly A is equal to 1 by 3. The another value, the value of B, right? The value of B is minus 1 by 3. The value of B is minus 1 by 3. The value of C is 2 by 3. Sorry, please recollect it. Minus 1 by 3 and a minus 2 by 3. This is value is correct now. A is equal to 1 by 3, B is equal to minus 1 by 3, C is equal to 2 by 3. So continuation question. 1 by 3 I'll take common out directly. So minus 1 by 3 is minus x, minus plus 2 by 3 means x plus 2 by the denominator x square minus x plus 1. Still clear? So next I wanted to do 1 by 3 dx by x plus 1. 1 by 3. For their convenience, they are doing one job. 1 by 2. What they are writing it is they are taken 3 top only. What they're working over there, x plus 2 they're writing over like this, 1 by x square, right? Okay. This is the writing it is 2x plus minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay. This is looking model look like is different, right? Okay. Now I'll try to understand the situation what they wrote answers like that. By x square minus x plus 1 they got an answer. So now let us, this is a format they wrote like this. Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
How they got? Have you got any idea? It's not available. This is their take rate. It's inside. How you got any idea? It is there 1 by 3 is there 1 by 3 is there. Any idea? So I'll try to introduce because you are a little far to me. This is a question, separate question. This is a separate question. This question is look like px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. Clear? Integration.
Yes, sir.
This is a model. What you has to write? Px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of
d
this
by
one.
dx of
Then b into
square plus
just b. Okay, that
yes,
is what a into this is value of a. Then they are finding it as. This is derivation of that. X square derivation is 2x, x derivation is 1. 1 is 0. Plus b. So then after equating both sides, they got equating constant, they got
Okay.
value of A and B for their particular. Clear?
Yes.
Any more doubts? Clear?
No.
That is
Clear.
what they what AB, that is I wrote. Okay. Next step I'll write on the next page. So next continuation, integration dx by x plus 1, it is 1 by 3. There 1 by 2, down 1 by 3 is there, 1 by 6. Integration 2x minus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 into dx plus 3 by 2, 1 by 3 into 3 by 2, integration 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Clear? Huh? It is cancelling out.
Yes, sir.
Next, what I trying to say is continuation 1 by 3 integration 1 by x plus 1. It is, you can take it as t dt by t log t. So log of x plus 1.
T log.
So 1 by 6. If you take it as t, this is come dt. There's no doubt at all because there's no we only did of derivation. So log of x square minus x plus 1 plus it is nothing else than 1 by 2. So this, how can you do it? There is no t assumption because still it is a typical question. So this is one separate question here. This how should we look like? Integration 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. This is a question we have to write a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Take separately. This you can write your own way. A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So when I did off separately, I got like this x minus 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square I got. I was converted this into like this. I think how did you convert? You know, right? Clear? Huh?
Mm.
So you have
Yes.
to do and your own homework because I don't know do now right now. This is x minus 2 root 3 by 2 I wrote like this. If it is not getting, please let us know. Okay, this is clear. Now
Yes.
final answer as usual 1 by 3 log of x plus 1 1 by 6 log of x square minus x plus 1 1 by 2. This is look like integration 1 by a square plus x square. Same thing 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a. X by a means what? X minus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 plus. If you want simplify, you can simplify. This is the final answer for the given question. Little bit simplification you can do. You'll get exact answer in the textbook. Okay, still
Yes,
any
sir.
more doubt? Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right. The last question, the given exercise for today's session. So sin x into cos x by cos square x plus 3 cos x plus 2. This is very dangerous question. So this question is look like in the question is in the trigonometry. We think it is nothing. We are going. It is not out of the station. We look like okay, but don't think that. I'll try to take cos x is t. So sin x dx is dt. Clear? Huh? So in trigonometry, I
Yes,
don't
sir.
want to dive directly. I'll convert into t's. So sin x into dx is dt. So cos x is t. So numerator t only come into dt will come. So t square plus 3t plus 2 into dt. Now this
Yes,
question
sir.
is look like little simple. Okay. This question I rewrite to change t into dt. So t x square plus 3x plus 2. This is a possibility that to make it as a what can I say? You can convert into that splitting the terms t plus 1 into t plus 2. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now this is a question is look like in the partial fractions. We can open it as a by t plus 1 and b by t plus 2. To make it simple, answer clear? Huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
integration t dt by t plus 1 into t plus 2. So if you do a by t plus 1, b by t plus 2, you get on your own answers. I don't want to do. A is equal to I got minus 1. So minus 1 by
Yes,
t
sir.
plus 1 integration dt. Plus b I got 2 answer. So 2 by t plus 2 into dt. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
right now. Now it's very simple. The question is look like this is converted into t's. Then question is under t, it's converted to t's. Then after t question you convert into partial fraction. Then you got your answers. AB values. I write in the next page. The question is look like now integration. Now it is there, right? So minus 1 by t plus 1 into dt plus 2. I should take common out. 2 by 1 by t plus 2 into dt. Now previously it is x is there, you can take it as t is equal to dt by t. Now it is t is not available, already it is t, right? So t plus 1 is equal to
Yes,
z, you take z, you can take it, nothing wrong in that. So dt is equal to dz. So integration dz by z plus here also t plus 2 is equal to some other take, you can take z2, you can take, nothing wrong in that. If it is dz1, this is z2, so t is equal to dz2. So integration dz2 by z2 plus 2. So what is your answer here? Dz by z log z, log z1. Z1 means what? T plus 1. Clear? So 2
yes,
into
sir.
log of t plus 2. Still it is clear, plus c. But it is not a final answer because t we are assumption some other value when you are doing it is out. Am I clear? Right? So 1 by minus
Yes, sir.
log of t plus 1, right? T plus
Cos
1 means what? Cos x, cos x plus 1 plus 2 log of cos x plus 2. Clear? Still clear? I'll write
yes,
in the
sir.
next page.
Yes,
So I'll rewrite. It is what can I say? Minus 2 I got. Okay. What I got it is here minus 1 now. Something I did of wrong. What did I think wrong? Minus 1, right? Okay. Minus of it is there.
minus you took common, sir.
Oh, no, 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 no. Something we missed out. Okay. Sorry. It cos x is equal to t, right? What is the sin x dx is equal to what? It is minus, right? One minus you are missing because answer we are not getting it is minus sin x dx. Cos x is equal to t. Derivation of cos
Oh,
x is minus sin x. So we are going to get minus dt,
yes, sir.
minus t count. Okay.
Minus and
So minus t. Okay. So
yes, sir.
entire problem is correct on. Just you are getting minus. Entire problem it's okay. You have a minus common. Don't take it as okay. It is there minus. Entire thing is minus.
Okay.
So when you're going, when you're writing next page, I will cover the answers now. So minus log of x plus 1, 1 plus cos x.
Cos x plus 1.
Next is plus 2 of, right? Log of 2 plus cos x. Clear? Plus c. Rewrite it is, I'll write it is minus into minus plus. So log of 1 plus cos x minus 2 of log of 2 plus cos x plus c. Okay. So next case, log of 1 plus cos x minus log of this log before it is there, I'll write as a top also 2 plus cos x whole square I can write. Okay. Logarithm, if it is, I think we have a formula.
Yes.
Log x power n is equal to n log x. So n log x or log x power n. Like this, 2 I'll take here.
Yes, sir.
Why I should take it is log a minus log b, it's
Okay.
log a minus b. So log of a minus b, 1 plus cos x by, this is there, 2 plus cos x whole square plus c. Okay. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For this session to the end of the day. Okay. Still any question? Fifth is there. Any more? Sixth? No. So we went off today the completely the method one only I finished, but method 2 I told you to come, but it is your Telugu Academy textbook not mentioned. Some cases
Yes, sir.
you may get is I think you have a examples you may get This previously I was told you, right? When I was day one today, the method I took here, unfortunately, they will keep it as x cube in exams. There will be come its
Yes.
method
Then
one.
method 2.
X cube by x cube, here it is one will come, you can do it. The thing is where? The thing is different, analysis is different. Okay, that is the case where I was expected. And here also sometimes if it is 2x square will come, it will come method 2, it is 2 by 1, the value is 2 by 1, continue that. If it is will come. Here x cube by there, it is there. Here if it is right x square, then things will change. 2x square, it is x, right? If it is 2x cube will come, then things will change. So like that, if even if it is come, I was mentioned very clearly, this is the methodology you need to follow. You are so lucky because you don't have method 2 here, method
Yes,
2.
sir.
So, but method 2, the method T, because you are a second year, it won't give in maths 2A. So better to learn every method, even single steps also. Okay. For this today session, the things will closed, and the tomorrow session we have little analysis of UV methodology. I'll try to take, and one more interesting concepts are there. The next two or
Okay.
next to two more concepts, next to 2-3 classes, sin x power dx, cos nx dx, then after that integration of tan nx dx, integration of cot nx dx, integration of secant power nx dx, integration of cosecant power nx dx. Out of 6 derivations are there to derivating this. Okay, out of 6, one question is long answer guarantee. 7 marks question is one guarantee. Okay, that is what the reason next two classes very clear, the question we can directly expect, there is no doubt at all. Okay, I'll teach sin x, tan x, secant x. Your duty to do similar homework in the rest of the thing. Okay, that is what the long answers
Yes, sir.
powers of x we need to find out, because if they're asking sine power 10x dx, you don't want to do that, because we don't have a chance to do for sine power 10x. Sine x is okay, sine square it's we can try it out, sine cube we can write out sine 3x format, but sine power 4 5 6 higher order we cannot do. To higher order derivation of trigonometry, how you need to do, that is what this methodology we are trying to provide a alternate solution for the direct formula. These cases higher order we can do the formulas. So this is after derivation we have to get a
Yes,
formula.
sir.
In the formula you can substitute to move it out. So next 1 or 2 classes will take, because every day 1 or 2 it may be possible, but extension also we have to do, that is what it will take time. Within 1 or 2 classes we are going to wind up your integration completely with individual problems. Okay, I try to stop the today session, and
Okay.
tomorrow we'll try to do